Hi, I'm Jeff Jones from BikeRadar, and I've got a new product from USN to show you this week. It's a protein dessert which you can consume after training, racing, or just as a handy snack to fend off those 3 p.m. hunger pangs. It's now 4 p.m. and I'm pretty hungry, so let's see how it works. Take 300 ml of unbranded water. Pour in the protein powder, carefully. Look at that, that looks delicious. Now, the fun part, and hopefully not too messy, shake for a minute. Still shaking. Arms are getting tired, they're not built for this. Oh dear, I'm hitting the wall. Now I know why you need this stuff. Is that about a minute? Oh, right, that was hard work. Now, let's go and look for a spoon while we wait for this to set. Okay, it's now 5:15 and we've had this in the fridge for 3/4 of an hour or so. As you can see, it hasn't actually set, but it has gone a little bit creamy. Frankly, I'm too hungry to wait any longer. So let's see what it tastes like. It tastes chocolatey and it tastes like protein. So not too sweet. Yeah, I'll pay it. I can feel myself getting huge now. Finally, how much is it? It's about 28 quid for a 1 pound tub of this protein dessert powder. That works out at about 2 quid per serving, which is in the range of most nutritional product servings. And that's it for the USN Protein Dessert. I better get it down. Check out that.